provided to you by Intuit. Please enter your 16-digit card number now. If you do not know your... Please enter your 8th birthday. That was an invalid entry.
Mess up?
Yeah, I pushed 1 twice instead of 9 twice.
Your card has a negative balance of $9.
I know, I'm also being audited, so you guys need to figure it out. No, there should be $500 more coming, and you guys took garnished $350 total for insurance reasons.
Press 1 to report a card lost, stolen, or never received. Press 2 to get your account information to set up direct deposit. Press 3 for additional support. Press 4 to check the status of direct deposit. Press 1 to learn how direct deposit works.
Didn't you just say this shit?
For information on how to update your PIN number, press 3 to update your card information. Press 4 for questions on a transaction you don't recognize. Press 5 to speak with a specialist. Press 6 to return to the...
Say.
We've made it easier for you to get help. You can now email, chat, and call us from the turbodebitcard.intuit.com and the TurboCard mobile app. Please hold while we transfer you to a customer care specialist. Because we value your feedback, please hold at the end of the call for a quick survey. All calls may be monitored and recorded.
Thank you for calling. My name is Martha. How may I help you?
Hi, Martha. If I can talk to someone, or you can transfer me to someone about my Minnesota state taxes. I paid you guys $100 plus in insurance, saying you guys would handle it with the state, and now I'm being audited. But the federal government did send me my money.
Okay. I'm sorry to hear that. Okay. May I have please your first and last name?
My first name is Noah. My last name is Green.
Okay. Well, unfortunately, it's like in and out. Okay. So, Mr. Green, can you verify for me, please, your phone number?
My phone number is 612-271-3522.
Thank you. And your address, please?
My address on the card or my current working address?
Okay, so
are you looking?
We have yeah, we have file.
The one you have on file?
We have the one with the zip code 5372.
Okay, so it's 5241 160th Street, Southeast, Prior Lake, Minnesota 55372.
And just so you know, I can come back to my police here too.
Thank you. Okay, so
I just said she's being
thank you. Mr. Green, how can I help you at this time?
I need to be transferred to someone, or if you guys could give me TurboTax's direct number for their customer support. This is the only number I have because it's off the card. I just need to figure out why I paid you guys insurance, which you took the insurance for the federal taxes and the state taxes out of my federal taxes. And now the state won't give me my taxes. So you guys have to deal with it, being the liability I paid for your insurance. So I just need to talk to somebody about that.
Okay, so you stated you're paying for insurance.
I paid insurance that I wouldn't have to deal with the federal government and the state government. Total, the insurance was about $200 to $300, but both lines of insurance came out of my federal taxes. So you already took the insurance for the state taxes that I have never received. No problem.
Experiencing extremely high call volume and your wait time may exceed 1 hour. Please note if you're inquiring about a deposit to your account, our agents do not have access to this information. The fastest way to get deposit information is to log into your account on the app or website. You can also enroll in deposit alerts, and we will text you as soon as it posts. Thank you for holding.
Thank you for calling. This is Audrey. Please bear with me while I'm pulling up your account. Okay. And I just want to verify if I'm talking to Norway Green.
Excuse me?
Am I talking to Norway Green?
Yes, ma'am.
How we can help you today, Mr. Green?
Am I talking to a representative from Green Dot or from TurboTax Intuit?
We're talking to the representative for We.Net for your Intuit Turbo card.
I understand that, but are you hired through the Green Dot who provides Noah with his Intuit card, or are you hired through Intuit themselves?
Yes. We are from Green.Tech.
Okay, I'm just looking for
Your Intuit Turbo card is under Green.Tech.
I understand. I'm just looking for the Intuit customer service line because it's nothing you guys in your card did. It's more on their fault. So I need the number to them if you have it. This is the only number I have because it was off the back of the card. They didn't send me a number for the Intuit customer support.
Let me go ahead and try to check if you have that. Give me a second.
Thank you.
Okay, here is the number.
I'm ready.
Okay. It's going to be 888 285 416.
It's missing one number. Could you go through that again, please?
Give me a second. Need to double check.
No problem.
Give me a second. My system is full load. Okay. Here is the number again. I'm gonna be providing you. And you ready?
Yep, go ahead.
Okay, it should be 888 285 416.
Like I said, that's one number short. Actually, two, but here in America, we don't have to put +1.
Yes.
But you gave me 888-285-416. That's missing one number out of the 10 digits.
Yes, it should be number 1. It's 1888.
No, that doesn't count because the Minnesota World Code, United States World Code is +1, and then so that one count, and then 888 hold on, 285-416. We're missing one number. After the 1 should be a space. These are on 888. Yeah, dude, I can't find my Golden Sun crown. Or
What?
Golden State.
Actually?
Yeah, I don't know what it is.
Hmm.
Kind of pissed.
Crazy. I stole that too.
I know she probably did. That was the last one I had from you. I gave the other two to my nephews for gifts.
Just making my way downtown, walking fast, faces passing at home.
Oh yeah, Ben, are you also a Barbie girl in the Barbie world?
No.
Kind of sounded like it.
I can.
You can.
Bear with me, okay? Yes, that's very unusual. Yes, and that there is one missing number here.
Yep.
Talking about Willis.
I don't know, Gerard.
Might have got me Gerard.
Unless you want to be a Koopa Kente motherfucker.
I'll be a little bit of both.
Gerard the Kente.
No, Tonka Kinte.
Kente Koo.
Tonka Kinte.
Okay. Thank you for patiently waiting. Okay, I already have your other number.
Alright, we're ready. We got +1 on the board.
Yeah, you ready?
Yep.
I need your phone number too.
It's 1-800
Okay, 800
446
446
8848.
8848. Thank you. Your third attempt. We got all the numbers in there. So one last time, it's 1-800 446 8848.
Yes.
Okay. And you're just Green Dot customer support?
Yes.
All right. Well, thank you for your time, and you have a good day.
You too. Goodbye.
Get her phone number for me. She sound Asian.
We still have them on the line, by the way. I just hit mute so they can't hear me. I do not like hanging up before they do, because
We
I
value your opinion and will
queued
use
them
this
off,
information
and this
to improve
happens.
our service. Please listen carefully to each question.
If they make you hang up, you can't take their
Would you
survey.
recommend this card to your friends and family? Yes, press 5. Probably, press 4. Not sure, press 3.
Probably test 4.
How would you rate your overall satisfaction with the service received today? Very satisfied? Press 5. Satisfied? Press 4. No opinion? Press 3. Dissatisfied? Press 2.
No opinion.
Very
Because I don't know
dissatisfied.
if the number they gave me worked yet.
Did we resolve your question or issue today? Yes, press 1. No, press 2.
I guess she gave me
I'm
a
sorry
number
I didn't get a
with
response.
10 digits.
Thank you for your time. We appreciate your feedback.
And now what?
Oh, the
We
prompt.
value your opinion.
The prompt
and
is
will
supposed to
use
hang
this
up on me.
information to improve our service. Please listen carefully to each question.
I just did your survey.
Would you recommend this card to your friends and family? Yes, press 5. Probably, press 4.
Okay, it's
Not sure.
4.
Press
Oh,
3.
damn it. I did it wrong.
We're sorry to hear that. What best describes the reason you wouldn't? How would you rate your overall satisfaction with the service received today?
I'm just going to keep clicking one until they hang up on me.
Thank you for your time. We appreciate your feedback. We value your opinion and will use this information to improve our service. Please listen carefully to each question.
I had to hang up on them. Assholes.
Damn them.
Damn them. Damn them. Straight to hell.
Damn them. Anyways.
Who called you from?
555.
Looks like it's Intuit. I got it right. 1-800 446 8848. Oh man, I had it in my phone as Intuit, not TurboTax. I know.
Oh.
Welcome to Intuit.
Oh, Ben's here, by the way, everybody.
Press 1.
Ben, we got one monitor
Press 2.
watching this
For
live
payroll,
stream
press 3. For Pro Series, Lacert, EasyAct,
On
or
YouTube.
On
ProConnect Tax
YouTube.
Online,
Be
press 4.
annoying as I
For
can,
checks,
huh?
forms,
I
and
guess.
supplies,
It's just not when I'm talking to Ben.
for payment solutions or merchant services, press 6.
I wonder if
For
it
credit
sounds
scores,
pretty.
press 7. For T-sheets, press 8.
TurboTax.
For TurboTax, press 1. For QuickBooks,
Let's start
press
there.
2. For assistance with TurboTax for the U.S., press 1. For TurboTax for Canada, press 2.
We'll go with the U.S. Right, we're in the U.S., right?
Yeah.
We're not in some offshoot province of
Thank
one of
you
the
for calling
13 or
TurboTax.
12.
Your call may be
Right.
monitored and recorded. Para español,
Man, what you
oprima
got?
uno.
You got a bunch of metal in there?
The deadline for filing your 2019 federal return has been moved to July 15th, 2020. TurboTax is ready to help you easily and accurately file your taxes. Which of these are you calling about? The status of your federal or state refund, your stimulus, or something else?
Oh yeah, I get stimulus through this too?
You don't have to press buttons. You can speak to me like you would to a real person.
1.
Which of these are you calling about? The status of your federal or
Status.
state refund, your stimulus, or something else?
Status.
Please give me a moment. I'm sorry, I'm not sure I understood what you said. Which of these are you calling about? The status of your federal or state refund, your stimulus, or
Status
something else?
of refund.
As a reminder, you chose to pay TurboTax fees from your refund when you filed your taxes. When your
Yeah, for
refund is
insurance, so
processed,
it's your
we'll
fault.
deduct our fees and send you the
No
balance.
liability
In
on
order
me,
to find the
all
status
fault on
of your tax
TurboTax
return
too.
you're interested in, I'll need a couple of pieces of information for the first person listed on the return. First,
There's only one
please
person
say
listed.
or enter the social security number
No.
for the return.
Oh man.
I'm sorry, I picked up some background noise and didn't quite hear you. Please give me the social security number for the first person on the return. I have your social security number as 471274276. Is that correct?
Yes.
Next, please say or enter the zip code for the return. I have that zip code as 55372. Is that correct?
Think that's the one we used this year.
Hold one moment, please. Please note that this year the IRS is working extra hard to prevent tax fraud, and therefore taxpayers who claimed the Earned Income Credit or Additional Child Tax Credit may see a delay in their refund of greater than 21 days. I see your federal return was accepted by the IRS on February 7th, 2020. While 9 out of 10 refunds are processed within 21 calendar days, there are several reasons why a return may take longer. The most up-to-date information for your refund can be found by either calling the IRS at 1-800-829-1040
I already did that.
or using the
They sent me a
Where's My
bunch of
Refund
blank
tool
paperwork
found
saying they
at
couldn't find me anything for the last 7 years.
Again, the
Same day, I
IRS
got a
number
bunch of
is
paperwork with all the real stuff.
1-800-829-1040.
So someone's hiding something.
If the IRS
If I'm the
delays
only
your
one
refund
on my
or your
team,
refund
it only
isn't
takes
enough
2
to
for
cover your
conspiracy.
TurboTax fees, we'll charge your bank account
That's
as stated
minimum
in
of
your
a $2
refund
million
processing
payout.
agreement. We'll notify you by email in advance if this
That's why
situation
nobody
applies
wants
to
to
you.
give me a civil lawyer.
Additionally, you'll need to contact your state agency for the status of your refund. Their contact info can be found in the confirmation
No, I
email we
don't.
sent you. Would you like me to repeat
I
this
paid you
information?
guys already for my state insurance, so you would handle it. It came out of the federal refund. You guys
Our
withheld
sales
money
agents
from
are
me
knowledge base,
too soon.
which will help to explain the status of your federal and/or state returns. Would you like me to text this to you, or would you prefer an email? Please note that standard messaging rates may apply.
Representative.
That's all the information I have about your tax return.
I heard the keyboard in the background. I need a liable representative, not an automated machine. You hear me into it? I'll sue you for 17 trillion. I'll settle for 16 trillion.
At 1-800-829-1040. Again, that number is 1-800-829-1040. Keep in mind that each state has its own schedule for processing tax returns. Contact your state agency for the status of your state refund. IRS contact info can be found in the acceptance confirmation email we sent you on February 7th, 2020. As part of our effort to continually improve our support services, please answer the following questions about this phone call. Based on this interaction with TurboTax support, on a scale of 0 to 10, where 10 is extremely likely, how likely would you be to recommend TurboTax products to your friends, family, or colleagues?
0.
Negative.
0.
Thank you for your input, and thank you for calling TurboTax.
Okay, that was a worthless call.
If you ask me, it sure was.
I know.
And of course, that's only if you ask.
Well, what do you think about that call, Ben?
I think it's all bullshit, really.
I know.
Nobody ever wants to talk to me.
Welcome to it.
Well, I'm working today, not me.
For QuickBooks,
And you're here,
press 2.
so.
For payroll, press 3. For Pro Series, Lacert, EasyAct, or Pro Connect Tax Online. For assistance with TurboTax for the U.S., press 1. For TurboTax for Canada, press. Thank you for calling TurboTax. Your call may be monitored and recorded. Para español.
Hey, they sent me right through this time. You see that?
The deadline for filing your 2019 federal return has been moved to July 15th, 2020. TurboTax is ready to help you easily and accurately file your taxes. Which of these are you calling about? The status of your federal or state refund, your stimulus, or something else? I understand that you want to speak to a specialist. However,
Good, we're
in order to
FBI
get you to the
certified
right
then,
place,
TurboTax.
I'm going to need to get some
The
information.
FBI
from
knows
you.
0
Which of
too,
these are
same
you
with the
calling about?
IRS.
The status of your federal or state refund, your stimulus, or something else?
0 should be human operator. I'm 1, they are 0.
For security
We're working
purposes,
together to
please
fix the
tell me your
problem
first and
you're
last
having
name.
that is affecting my life. I need 0.
It doesn't sound like you're talking to me. What is your first and last name?
Noah Green. You can also hear the echo in the background and the keyboard.
Please hang on for just a moment.
You hear that, Ben?
Mm-hmm. What I want to know is, are you pretty?
I'll connect you with a TurboTax specialist who can help you.
Do they have a
Please stay
doll
on the
they can
line.
put you in? Ben would like to treat you, use you, and depending on how you act, being artificial intelligence, he'll have the choice to return you or abuse you till your suit breaks.
Thank you for calling TurboTax. My name is Diana. May I have your name, please?
Hi Diana, my name is Noah Green.
Yes, thank you for that, Ms. Green. Can I also get your phone number, please?
Phone number I'm calling from right now is 612-271-3522.
Thank you. And how about your email?
The email I used for TurboTax for the last 7 years is njcrgreen@yahoo.com.
Thank you. One moment. All right. Perfect. And how may I help you today?
I just need someone from your legal team or accounting team that has somewhere close to 7 years of experience to give me a call back because I am now facing a audit from the Minnesota state government. You guys insure what I do on your product with a fee for federal and state. You already took my federal and state out of my federal refund that did come, but now the state's auditing me, so it's your guys' liability as well as mine because I have already paid for the Minnesota fee. So I need a accountant or tax specialist to give me a call back who has at least 5 to 7 years of experience.
Okay, so are we speaking of you're getting audit for 2019 or prior year?
2019. They'll probably do prior years, but this one's for 2019, the one I just did. Your federal estimate came on the TurboTax card you guys provided, but like I said, you guys already taxed me or took fees out for federal and state. So you guys are required to help me with the state investigation.
Okay, hold on one second. I'm gone. Okay, so
You are being recorded and monitored, so everything you tell me is on your liability.
Okay, Mr. Greenwood, thanks for that. I mean, I didn't authorize you to be recording us.
Well, hey, Ben, say hi.
Started the conversation.
I'm just saying you're being
I
monitored.
understand.
I have a second human here monitoring what you say, so I have a witness.
Well, but you didn't ask for my permission though.
I don't need
So,
permission
that's
for
actually-
a second person to be here while I speak
It's
to
okay.
you.
I mean, I don't have to say anything. It's okay. I understand. So I just want to understand the situation here. So you said that you're getting audited by the state.
Correct.
And the state is so if you're getting audited by the state, if you purchase our service with us, it's called the Max Benefits. That's who you have to reach out to get in so they can help you with the audit, Mr. Noah. So
That's fine. I called
in.
Intuit. If you want to transfer me, that's fine. As well, you never even told me I'm being recorded or monitored, so you'll get deducted points on that. Which I told you you're being monitored, which I don't have to. You're required to tell me that this call is being recorded and monitored. But
That's actually the system tells you that before you call us, Mr. No. We as an agent, we don't have to tell the customer because that's actually the system.
that's
The system
fine.
tells
So
that.
when I call in, I only have to tell you and nobody else you transfer me to.
Okay.
You'll get that message on down the line.
Okay, so let's do this, Mr. Noah. So we're not going to go back and forth. I'm trying to assist you here. So
Thank you.
The main concern, your main concern is you're calling us here today because you got a letter, right, from the state.
Yep, the
you
Minnesota
say you're getting
Revenue
audited.
Department.
Okay. So let me ask you, did you purchase our service that it actually covers you for any of that? It's called the Max Benefit.
Yes, I purchased it. It took fees out for the state and the federal, and you guys have already feed me for both of them. I just basically need to talk to, like I said, a representative that has experience for the last 5 to 7 years in case they go back further. And then I also need you guys to send me everything you have for 2019 taxes so I can send it to Minnesota.
Okay. So now for audits, that has to go with the program. It's called the Max Benefit. So,
Yeah, I think that's the one I got.
Okay, perfect. So for that, I will have to give you the number for you to call them because that's with the Max Benefit. That's how they get your information. They'll go over with that. That's what you pay for the service. Not with TurboTax. So TurboTax, we offer you that service.
You can't transfer me?
No, we are not able to because that's an outside company. Okay, so let me give you the number where you have to call, and that's you actually have a member login as well. Have you had a chance to log in into that portal?
I just want someone with 5 years of experience to call me back so I can handle all of it.
Okay, well then let me give you the number, and then you can definitely request for them to give you a call with that experience because that's what they're there for, to help the customer when they get audited. Okay.
Okay, we got +1 down. What's the number?
It is 877.
877.
829.
829.
96.
96.
95.
95.
And just to let you know, I don't know if you have the login for that one as well, but you can go, their page is called intuit.taxaudit.com. Like if you want to go right now to that page, it's called Intuit. So you go to www.intuit.
I'm not logging into anything. I'm only a phone operator because your apps/online portion of your company have failed me now multiple times. So I'm not going into any computer lingo. All I'm doing is typing the number you gave me and having you monitored so I can have liability and a witness saying that you gave me the number. Anyways, what was your name?
Diana.
Thank you, Diana. If that's all you can do for me, that's fine.
Not a problem, Mr. No. I will notate the case here anyways if you have to call us back. Normally, like I said, you're calling TurboTax. So if you call again, you just, my notes will be there. Other than that, for tax audit defense or anything like that, you definitely have to call because that's the type of program that you pay for.
Okay, so
you'll be getting an email after.
One last time. This number is a TurboTax company or third-party company, so I'll still be talking to somebody who has access to TurboTax files when I call this number?
This is a number that, yes, it's called the tax audit. The TurboTax, I'm sure that you remember when you added that defense for yourself. It's for anyone who has an audit. You need an audit representation. You have an ongoing audit protection, any of that. If you pay for that service, that's the number that you will have to call. Absolutely.
Okay, one last time, the number is 1-877-829-6995.
No, 9695.
9695?
Mm-hmm.
All right. So
actually, if you
1-877-829-9695.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
So if you like, Mr. No, I can do an extra step here. I'm going to send you a quick email with a link so you will be able to see that. I know that you don't want to register, that's fine, but at least you can see the support for customers if they have this program. Okay, so give me 1 second. I'm sending you an email with that link.
Can you send it to a different email than on file?
I'm sorry?
I'm working with a different email now because it's been 7 years, and after 7 years, nobody is liable in the United States to hold on to records anymore. So I am switching emails. Can you send it to a different email?
Well, the email that you verified today is the one on record. Unless you have an extra one, absolutely, I can add it on the same one. It will be sent to the one you have on record, and I can CC the new one.
I don't want it to be added because there's loose ends on the other one, and this new one's pretty solid. So you can just send it to the old one.
Okay, not a problem. Well, it will be sent to the one you verified for me today, okay? The one we have on record. So let me go ahead and give you I'm going to put right there on the subject line, it will say something about how to act your max benefit, because that's what it's called, the max benefit, okay? So other than that, Mr. No, you'll be getting an email after this call. You'll be getting my email and another email after this call. It's going to be a survey, and it's in regards to I assist you today with your questions and concerns in regards to how to get in hold of the max benefit scheme. And have I answered all your questions and concerns for you today?
Yeah, could you also have, just in case this number doesn't work, could you have someone call me in the next couple of days?
You can definitely set up a call. I mean,
I'd like that, to set up a call.
You can set up the call with us. Normally, like I said, you would just have to set up the call with us, and it will be us calling you back. So you have to set up a call through the app or through the website of TurboTax.
Oh, I can't set it up with you?
No, we don't do that. Mm-mm.
Oh, okay. That's garbage. All right.
Okay. Well, thank you so much for calling TurboTax. I hope you have a great rest of your day.
You as well.
Bye-bye.
Toodles.
Thank you.
I'm just gonna keep live streaming and go outside to have our smoke break. Oh, I should have told her. Well, okay, the prompt told me that you were recording and monitoring, so if I tell the prompt, is that good enough?
Yeah.
Just one cigarette? Yeah. I want to finish recording down here, at least TurboTax. Because if I unplug the computer, it has no battery life. It has to stay plugged in. 'Cause
Well, if you had that
the
thing,
battery's expired or something stupid.
well, why can't we smoke right here? Just come back down. Just come back down.
Smoke this?
Yeah. And I'm sure not that don't
It is, right above it.
Maybe if I do it, then I'll walk along for it.
My mom? Oh, her mom.
Yeah. You must be the little girl's sister. And she was like that. She was late 20s. I don't know, I never seen her before. Something like that. Well, I'm gonna turn that speaker. I'll actually call her.
I'm gonna be recording here again, so.
So, just play then?
Play some video games or something like that. So they don't hear that in the background.
Yeah, so you're making a call right now?
Yeah, I will be in a second. Calling the number that person gave us.
Is that what's on the bottom?
No,
Thank you for calling Tax Audit. For assistance with an audit notice, press 1. To purchase audit
I wrote
defense, press 2.
A-V in
For our
long
contact
hand,
information,
and I
press
wrote
4.
E and I wrote high
For general assistance, press
in
5.
shorthand.
To repeat this list, press 8.
Let's try 0. Always try 0 first.
I'm sorry, I do not recognize that action.
That
Please
usually
try again.
prompts you to. I understand you want to talk to the customer service.
Thank you for calling Tax Audit. For assistance with an audit notice, press 1. To purchase audit defense, press 2. For our contact information, press 4. For general assistance, press 5.
What about for your information?
Cinco.
Please hold for the next available representative.
I want cuatro. Seis.
This call may be
Cinco.
recorded for quality assurance.
No más.
Uno más?
No más.
Dos X?
Hi, this is Nicole. How can I help you?
Hi, Nicole. I'm not quite sure where you work, but TurboTax gave me this number because I'm having problems with the audit I guess I got and for 2019, and they said you were their insurance that they back or whatever. I don't know.
Okay, yeah, this is Tax Audit. We do partner with TurboTax. So if you got a notice, then we would definitely be able to help you. Let me put an account for you. What's your first and last name?
Thank you. My first name is Noah and my last name is Green.
And your name?
Okay, and then can you verify your address?
I'm not sure which address you have on file because I used 2 to register for TurboTax in the last 7 years. But the one I'm at now is 5241 160th Street, Southeast, Prior Lake, Minnesota, 55372.
All right, and then what's the best phone number?
It would be the one I'm calling you from. It's 612-271-3522.
And is that your cell phone?
That is.
All right, and then your email address.
The one that TurboTax has me under is njcrgreen@yahoo.
Okay, and then are you on Central Time?
Yeah, it'd be Central Standard Time, USA.
Okay. All right, so it does look like you have the audit defense for 2019. Does that sound right?
That's what the Minnesota State Revenue Service sent me a audit sheet. The federal government or the IRS sent me their return, but the state's having problems.
Okay. And then is there a date on that notice that you received?
I'm not 100% sure. It's not right there in front of me. I was just hoping to call you guys, figure out what you are, and then request a callback.
Okay, well, so do you still have the notice? Like, or do you have access to it still?
Yeah, it's over at my grandparents' house. I set everything over there for my grandpa to look at because I got audited, so second eyes are always best.
Okay, and then did you file single, joint, or head of household?
I would have filed single. I claim one on everything I work, so when I get paid, they take taxes out immediately.
Okay. All right. So since you have the audit defense, I can go ahead and set up a case for you and have a case coordinator reach out to you, and then they can assist you with the notice.
That'd be great. Do you know how long it would take them to reach out to me so I can go over to my grandparents and maybe scoop up a couple letters that I've gotten so far?
So I can kind of explain the process to you. So what you'll basically do is get set up in our member assistance portal, and then when you get the notice, you can upload like a screenshot of it, a picture of it, and then as soon as you upload it, then the case coordinator will review it and reach out to you.
Okay.
All right, so let me give you your account number because you are going to need it.
1 second.
Okay.
All right, go ahead.
Okay, 157 593 23.
All right.
All right, so you're going to be receiving a welcome email from our member assistance portal. Now in that email, there is going to be a link where you will need to confirm your email address. So once you do that, then it'll ask you for that account number, your last name, and zip code. And it will have you set up a username and password with some security questions. And then there is a two-step verification that is like an additional step of security, but you can disable that. And then, like I mentioned before, we do need a copy of that notice, so you can just take a picture of it and upload it, or you could fax it over to us. And then your case coordinator, her name is Sherry. Once she reviews it, she'll reach out to you and advise you directly, or if necessary, she will assign you to a tax professional. And then while you're waiting to hear from someone, we don't want you to have any direct contact with the state of Minnesota unless someone from our company recommends that you do so.
Yeah, I really haven't. They sent me that, and their recorder said even if I leave a message, that they won't get back to me and just send information to a certain number or a certain address. So I don't really trust it. So I'll just wait for you guys, because like I said, I've been using TurboTax the last 7 years, and it's been working out until this year.
Okay, yeah, we can definitely deal with the state, so you don't have to. And then I do want to let you know that 2016 to 2018 are open tax years as well. So if you ever wanted to go back and purchase audit defense for those years, you're more than welcome to. It just has to be before you receive any type of notices.
Yeah, I know that. In 2017, I believe, I filed, but I never got a return anywhere. Do you guys know where that would have went?
I'm not sure. That's something you'd probably have to ask the state or the IRS, or maybe even the case coordinator might be able to answer that for you, but I wouldn't know.
Okay.
All right, so that's pretty much it, and then you may get another email. It's just a survey in regards to our call, so if you wanted to provide feedback, that's always appreciated.
Yeah, I'll do that.
All right, do you have any more questions for me?
No, that's it. You're helpful.
All right, well, thanks for calling in. You enjoy the rest of your day.
You as well.
Thanks, bye-bye.
Love you. They didn't hear that, huh?
It says your TurboTax case is closed. What the hell? But that was from almost 20-some minutes ago when I called TurboTax. Let's see. TaxAudit.com sent me something.
Now I can play music.
Yeah, you can play music now.
Yeah. Call.
Do you want to go upstairs, use the TVs, or just sit down here is fine? I'll probably be calling again in like 30 minutes. I gotta call PayPal. because they got my card frozen. That was just Green Dot. Their bank's working okay, but their tax service was garbage this year. Yeah, but their bank always sends you to the fucking Philippines. So it sucks. They don't understand what you're trying to tell them. They don't get hints on tone of voice either. So if you like change your tone of voice,
Must not know how to pitch.
I think they're AIs almost, or maybe egos that were supposed to be mean their whole life. They learn how to speak or learn